Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine or find your MacBook specs or hardware specs fairly easily. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the Apple icon at the top toolbar on your Mac desktop. Go ahead and left click on that and select About This Mac. Select the System Report button, and from there you should have plenty of information on the left panel here. You can go between hardware. Most of it should be right on the main page here, but you can see different network information as well as software if you clicked on it on the left side. So again, very straightforward process there, guys, and then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.